Hi everybody and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the credit card life. My name is Amit and today I was just browsing some of my credit cards and found Axis Bank Neo credit card, and I was pretty stunned to see that Axis Bank Neo credit card has changed, and probably this has become one of the best known cards right now in India for the newcomers. So anybody who's in the game of credit card and would like to have a credit card at zero cost and zero renewal fees, I must tell you that Axis Bank Neo card has come up with outstanding offers, and some of the offers which is quite ongoing, and the best part is the card is absolutely free for the time being, so you may want to apply that. Now let me explain. So I had this wonderful credit card for almost 6 to 8 months. This was way back in 2022, and then I closed because I got into Atlas and of course MyZone and all those cards, Privilege and Select and all those cards. And I thought at that time the only advantage I had with this particular card was the food order on Zomato, but apart from that there was no such let's say meaningful changes and advantages, and even the features, and even at that time they had fees. But after 2 years they have come with a new plan called 10,560 annual benefits at a cost of 0 rupees. I mean it, at a cost of 0 rupees. And I have got those wonderful points for you to let you know, and probably I'm going to explain each point step by step. So point number one, this card comes with no joining fees, and the activation of this particular card comes with a 300 rupees cashback if you spend close to 750 rupees for any of the utility bills. Whenever you spend any of the credit card, let's say charges of yours on any of the credit card, or let's say any kind of platform where you pay utility bills, you're going to get flat 300 at very first transaction, and that will be your welcome gift if you spend or swipe in the first 30 days. So you paid nothing and you instantly got 300 rupees cash back. That's number one. Number two, the card has a renewal fees of 250 rupees, but that is the next year, not the current year. Okay, and some of the advantages it offers, those are, and let me explain. It has a 40% off, 40% off on Zomato, and that is twice in a month. So when you apply a code called Axis Neo, and if you spend close to, if I'm not wrong, 200 and some 99 rupees some change, you're going to get 120 rupees food coupon with the code called Axis Bank Neo. So you get that option twice in a month. Okay, next is a 5% off on utility bills on a platform like Amazon Pay, and the max cashback you're going to get on this is 150 rupees per month on a spending of 299. all right, next you have 10%, they call it the 10% club category. And some of the categories which we have on a 10% category, those are, if you order something on Blinkit and if you spend 750 rupees, you're going to get 250 rupees maximum cash back. 150 for a month in a maximum cash back is for Myntra when you spend 999, and then you have 100 rupees cash back on Book My Show whenever you go for a particular booking or through Book My Show in a particular month. So if you calculate all these transactions in a monthly and then annual basis, the overall amount which you're going to get is close to probably 10,460 and some change. I've just got my tab on, I've got a screenshot of the overall, the calculated benefits of this card. So let's say if you order food twice in a month, which is 240 rupees on Axis Neo coupon code on Zomato, you get 240 rupees per month. If you pay through Amazon Pay, so-called 5% in a month, the max capping is 150. You get 150 rupees in a month. Grocery shopping at Blinkit, you get 250 max. Spends on Book My Show, 100 rupees. Online shopping in Mitra, 100 rupees. And the amount of edge reward points which you end up, let's say, accumulating after doing all the spends would be up to a value of 100 rupees in INR. So if you calculate all these things, on the very first year without paying, let's say, adjoining fees, you are bound to get close to 10,500 rupees at no cost. So that's what I felt, I should let you all know, because this can be a very nice deal for somebody who is, let's say, 21 years of age, 22, getting a first credit card, and probably if you're looking for a credit card, if you order, let's say, twice or thrice in a month from Zomato, I think this will surely work, and this can even be a better deal if you have a concept of Zomato Gold membership under your kitty, which you have already from the help of Platinum Travel and Platinum Reserve. Well, that's it from my end. I hope you like this content. In case if you have a question, give me a comment, and do use our referral link in the description with context to American Express and all the Indian credit cards if you wish to apply. Till we meet again, you take care and thanks for watching.